25% drop. That's how the COVID-19 pandemic is affecting air travel in the U.S. SA says fewer than 125,000 people were screened at the nation's airports on Thursday. The same day last year had 2.5 million. Travel is just one industry hurting right now. Another is retail. And SDSU's Miro Copic weighed in on the for today's Friday Business Report.
The numbers today are not quite accurate because they don't account for the last 2 weeks of 10 million unemployment claims. So economists are projecting that in the April numbers, which will be announced on May the 8th, that the unemployment rate might shoot up from the 4.4% that was announced today to north of 10%. And one of the sectors that's been particularly hit hard is retail. Macy's this week announced that beginning April the 1st, they were furloughing 125,000 workers. And this kind of is a bigger question about what's going to happen to retail overall, because as consumers, as most consumers are sheltering at home, they're buying their products online. And so behaviors are going to change. The longer people will be sheltered in place, the more ingrained some of those behaviors will be. For example, we know that through the end of 2019, about 13% of total retail sales come from online sales. But you might see when we come out of this whole crisis that number may jump to 15 or 20% as more consumers are more comfortable buying online. Traditional retailers like Macy's, like Kohl's, like The Gap are going to have problems.